Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video we will be trying the INKEY List Kaolin clay mask. So 1.75 ounces of this mask will run you $6.99. I have it here on my laptop. It says a natural deep cleaning face mask with high grade clay to help absorb excess oil. So I've been really oily lately, so we are going to put this mask to the test. With that being said, let's go ahead and swatch this mask. Okay, so here we go. This is what it looks like. Can you guys see? Can you guys see? That is what the swatch looks like. It's really a smooth mask. I was expecting more of a thick texture, but it's not. It's a very smooth texture. Okay, so we are going to do this correctly. It does say apply a thin layer on dampened skin. So I'm going to go ahead and mist my skin just a little bit with my thermal spray that I already have mask on, like some of the mask residue from the swatch on it. My skin is dampened. Y'all see it glistening, y'all see it glowing. Let's go ahead and apply this mask. Yeah, let me autofocus this camera and turn the light down just a little bit. There we go. Here we go. Ooh, I mean, this mask is you guys, I have it everywhere. I need to keep what is that called? I need to keep like napkins or wipes over here, because you know what the issue is, my other brush broke because my daughter destroyed it. I can't have nothing nice in this house. I've just came to the conclusion, once you have kids you cannot have nothing nice, because everything she's totally destroyed. Now I gave her a whole box of skincare I don't want. I know I shouldn't do this for a 2-year-old, but all she does is just play in it and throw it. So I gave her a whole box of skincare she didn't want. Next thing I know, she come and bothering my stuff. So I've given up. At this point, I'm done and I'm tired. I do want to say this about this mask. It feels very heavy. It doesn't feel lightweight. It feels like it weighs your face down. So that's something interesting, that this mask does feel heavy. It is unscented. It has this weird smell that's really unscented. It smells weird, but it's unscented. If that makes, you know how a product smells weird when it's unscented? Yeah. Okay, you guys, so the mask is officially on my face. This is what it looks like. What do you guys think? I don't feel like it's absorbing excess oil from my skin. I feel like it's really actually moisturizing and making my skin heavy. So I'm kind of confused as to what is going on with this. This don't feel like an absorbing, detoxifying kaolin clay mask to me. It feels more like a heavy base mask in my opinion. But we'll see when the product rinses off the face, or when we let it dry. We'll see how it dries down. If it dries down like that Summer Fridays mask, we got a lot to discuss. Okay, you guys, so we're back. This is how the mask dried down. Let me turn the light down so y'all can see the gist of it. This is what we're working with. Woo, it dried down just like that Summer Fridays mask, honey. Yes, Summer Fridays come through for cheaper. I am going to go ahead and rinse my face, and then all I can say is let's just pray for a miracle. Woo, okay, it looked like me and the water was battling it out. Okay, you guys, so I am going to go ahead and rinse my face, and then we can talk about it. I mean, dry my face. Y'all know what I mean. I'm gonna go dry my face. Okay, you guys, so here is my skin after the mask. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Here is my forehead. let's talk about it. Okay, you guys, so let's talk about INKEY List Kaolin mask. There is a lot to say about this mask. I do want to say this. It actually did absorb excess oil. As I was putting this product on, I was really confused. Was this going to be a Summer Fridays debacle? And it's not. It actually did remove excess oil, but it keeps the skin hydrated and moisturized, so it's not overly drying. It's a really nice mask. I really actually like this mask for an affordable price. It made my pores look really great. I am really surprised my pores don't look clogged. I was really expecting this mask to be very hydrating, very gunky, make me black, make me have a breakout, make some sort of acne flare up. I was really expecting that, and I didn't get that. So I am actually going to give this mask a 4 out of 5. It's actually a great mask, especially if you are a very oily skin girl and you're looking to reduce some shine to your skin but not completely mattify your skin. This is the perfect mask for you without drying your skin out. If you are a dry skin person, you really want to try this mask to get rid of toxins, I think you would enjoy it because it's not going to dry your skin out. It's not going to make your skin feel tight or raw. I do want to say this. If you are of darker skin tones, are you very fair skin, you know, when you are in that range of dark skin tone and very fair skin, these type of masks can leave a white cast on your face. So I just want to let you know, you have to really rinse off with warm water, not lukewarm, not hot, but really warm water, because you know it will leave a white cast. So in order to get that white cast off, you need to, you know, get in really well with the warm water. Other than that, this is a great mask. I just thought that was just a tip because I have used this mask before, and honey, when I didn't use no warm water, I was looking a little ashy. So if you are of darker skin tone, I just thought that was a little tip for people who are very fair skin and of darker skin tones. Just be careful with the white cast that this will produce to your face. Just rinse off with warm water. The residue does come off. You just need warm water to get the residue off. Not lukewarm, not cool, not cold, and not hot, but very warm water. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.